I'm sure you've been there lying in bed, feeling bloated and uncomfortable, wondering why you can't seem to shake off that extra weight. It's like your body is holding onto it for dear life, and no matter what you try, you just can't seem to wake up feeling refreshed and light. But what if I told you there's a simple way to change that, starting tonight? It's called the gelatin trick, and it's been a game changer for so many people. Basically, it involves mixing some gelatin with water before bed, and letting its gentle powers work their magic while you sleep. My friend swears by the gelatin trick, saying it helps her wake up without the bloat, feeling more like herself. As she sips her gelatin mixture, she knows she's setting herself up for a better tomorrow. The gelatin trick is all about giving your body a little nudge in the right direction, and it's amazing how much of a difference it can make. To learn more about the gelatin trick and how to make it a part of your bedtime routine, check out the link in my description below, and don't forget to take a look at the pinned comment for some extra tips. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily life, you'll be on your way to a happier, healthier you.